G for grapes. G for girl. G for gift. G for blue. G for goat. G for grass. G for gloves. G for globe. G for guitar. G for goose. G for garden. G for glasses. G for gorilla. G for giraffe. G for grasshopper. G for goldfish.